This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 47 Demonstration-XVIII. Combo box allows selection from a list of items, similar to a checkbox group. In the example, a frame is created and a string array defines the items for the combo box, which is then positioned and added to the frame for visibility. Table displays data in rows and columns defined by a two-dimensional array. The example table has 3 columns ID name and salary, with 3 rows of data. The table object is created from this data array and column names, enclosed in a JScroll pane and displayed in a DRAM with the ability to dynamically add rows. List holds items that can be added individually or via an array. In the example, a frame includes a list created with a default model. List items are added one by one using the addElement method, and the list object is then created, passing the model containing the added items. Standard code sets the bounds and adds the list to the frame. Option pane provides fixed-size pop-up windows for displaying messages like errors, progress updates, or download notifications. It is created using the option pane class and showMessageIdealog method, passing the parent frame. The code demonstrates how to display an option pane with a desired message. Menu bars contain menus, and each menu can have submenus with menu items. Menu objects represent menus, while items represent the individual items within those menus. Menu bars hold multiple menus, each with its own menu items, in a structured hierarchy. Pop-up menu enables context menus that appear on click events within a frame. In the example, a pop-up menu named Edit is created with cut, copy, and paste menu items, each added as a item object to the pop-up menu instance. A mouse listener is registered to show the pop-up menu on click events. Checkbox item allows checks options within menus, enabling selection and customization. Event handling is crucial for implementing the desired functionality and behavior. Menu bar and menu objects facilitate the creation of menus and key bindings, while checkbox item and action listener logic handle the checkbox menu items. Progress bar shows dynamic event progress through a visual animation. In the example, a progress bar object is created with a range of 0 to 2000 for percentage calculation. The size value and visibility properties are set for the progress bar on the frame, and an iterate function handles changing the progress bar value at a set speed. Tree enables the hierarchical display of nodes or directories in a tree-like structure. A root node, such as style, can have child nodes like color and pond, which can further have sub-nodes like red, blue, and black. The code creates tree nodes, adds child nodes, and displays the tree in a DRAM. Color cursor allows users to visually select colors via RGB or HSB modes and a recent color history pane. The code demonstrates implementing a color chooser using the Color Cursor class by creating a button and label, setting an event listener to select the color, and integrating the color chooser into the component. Tablet pane has multiple clickable tabs, each with its own panel content. In the example, P1 holds the main content, P2 is for the visit panel, and P3 is for the help panel. A tablet pane object TP is created, and the panels are added using tp.addp1, TP, add P2, and so on. The tablet pane TP is then added to the application frame for display. Slider allows the visual selection of values from a continuous range via a draggable slider button. It can be oriented vertically or horizontally. Basic slider creation involves specifying the orientation, minimum and maximum values, and the initial value. The slider value updates dynamically as the slider button is dragged along its track. In summary, Java Swing provides a variety of components for creating rich graphic user interfaces, including combo box for list selection, table for displaying tabular data, list for item lists, option pane for pop-up messages, menu bars and menus with submenus and items, context menus with pop-up menu, checkbox menu items, progress bars for visualizing progress, hierarchical tree structures, color choosers, tabbed panes with multiple panel content, and sliders for selecting values from a range. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.